Hi guys, welcome back to my channel VN Craft Toys. So do you know what it is? What is this? Is Apple phone. You see, Apple phone. So this is a flip iPhone flip 2020. Maybe the future phones of Apple. Maybe it will come to you in 2000 or 2021. Okay, so let me introduce to you about this phone. It has four camera, floodlight, and it has a small screen, a small screen. So if you want to become bigger, okay, you can open. It's become bigger. Close, open, close, open, close, open. It's become bigger. Okay, and it can open automatically. You see, I have a new video. That video I show you step by step to make this phone, and if you want to make this phone, you can watch again that video. And if you like this phone, you like this video, you can press like, share, then you subscribe to my channel to get more information when I upload a new video. So thank you and goodbye.